Hi y'all, stock market price predictions here. Getting ready to jump in this pool. As soon as my wife over there is done eating her lunch, be ready to cool off and jump in the pool. Sipping on my drink. Not gonna say where it's from or what it is. I'll tell you where it's from. It's from Belgium. Yesterday my drink was from Mexico. That's all I'm gonna say. You guys probably can figure out where that's from. But I'm just here to entertain you guys, bring some enjoyment to the stock market. Hit that like and subscribe button. Once you subscribe, you'll have a chance to win a Ps5. Look, I'm giving that Ps5 away. I don't want to miss out. My dog rolling in something. Probably something that's going to make her smell. That's Elsa. But not a financial advisor, just giving you guys my opinion on what's going on with the stock market. And it is hot in Florida. Whew, she needs to hurry up with that lunch so we can get in this pool and cool off. I just got done doing yard work. She's been out doing stuff in the yard too, so it's time to enjoy the rest of the day. So in this episode, I wanted to talk about the possibility of a market crash. Also, when the stocks are gonna go back up and show a lot of increase in the pricing. Well, that may not happen until October or November, when the inflation rates start to go back down. After the CPI report we had last week was pretty high, and after doing some research, they're saying that may not, the results may not get better until the end of the year. Not that the stocks are going to start to go down a lot. It's just we won't see major increases in the value of the stocks. And this is just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. Actually, let me know what you guys think. What's your opinion on this? October, November, maybe we may see the inflation, be a little better than what it is. It was kind of high on the last report. It was at like 5.4. It's not horrible, but it's still scary. Lots of big investors don't like to see that. No one likes to see that, but a lot of them are the ones with the money that make the prices go up in the stocks. When it gets high like that, they'll pull their money out, which will cause the stock prices to fall. So it scares them and they sell. And then the price drops, and then the paper handlers sell, and the price keeps going. It's like a domino effect. Big money sells. Us apes, retail investors, we sell, and we just need to hold. But yeah, we're looking towards the end of the year for big spikes. Maybe September. Definitely by October. It's already July now, so just in a couple months we should see it. Another thing that's scary with it, that's scaring the big money and causing them to pull money out, is the real estate. The real estate across the U.S. and I can tell you a lot about it here in Florida. The prices are super high, higher for real estate than they've ever been. Luckily, we bought this house here last year. I have a rental property that I've had for a while, and it's like doubled, almost tripled for what I paid for it. So that's big profit there, but I'm not selling. I'm holding. I'm collecting that rent money each month. That's all I need right now. Thank God I don't need to sell it. I'm blessed. I'm in a good financial position to just hold it. I could sell it now, make a lot of money. I know lots of people doing that. My cousin just did that. But just like my stocks, I'm not selling. I'm holding. But with the real estate being like this here in Florida and across the U.S., it's up so high, it's really a bubble. And when's it going to pop? And this affects the stock market. It's part of with the economy. Big money, they don't know when it's going to pop. So hedge funds, they just don't know when it's going to pop. So when it does, it's going to cause the market to go down. Hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully this real estate will hold up, and won't pop. But it's definitely in a bubble. I mean, when it goes up so fast, it's in a bubble, and bubbles pop. The thing is just how much will it pop? How bad will the effect be? But one other thing about it, here in Florida, which has to do with the bubble in real estate, is the houses are selling quick, and there's not that many new builds because of the price of the material. So with the houses selling quick, they're raising the prices of the houses. People are buying, they're paying more than what they're asking. I know one person, a realtor, one of my cousins, he sold a house for like $20,000 more than what the asking price was. They moved in. They didn't realize, supposedly before they bought the house, that the house was too far from their son's school. So they sold it. They sold it within like 2 days, and sold it for like $20,000 more than what they bought it for. So that house just sold for $50,000 more than what the original asking price was. So with so much demand, because the new houses aren't getting built here in Florida due to the material being so high, and everyone's wanting to move right now, even though the prices are freaking ridiculous. I would not buy a house right now. That's like buying a stock in FOMO that's shooting up. We buy cheap and we hold. We hold for a long time. We don't buy high. So thankfully, I'm not looking for a house right now. Thankfully, we closed on this house last July. So, it's been a year. We didn't move in here until October, so we haven't been living here yet, but we closed in July and we did some renovations and things like that. But yeah, the real estate really does affect the stock market. And the real estate bubble, which we're in, we just don't know how bad it will be affected when it pops. And neither does big money. Big institutions, they don't know either. And plus with the inflation, they just don't want to, they're scared, so they pull out of stocks. It makes sense. The economy's not always going to be great. There's always going to be a market crash. There's always going to be a market rise. That's just what's going on right now. There's always going to be something going on with the market. What's affecting it? Real estate, what's it doing that affects the market? Inflation. We know inflation's high. The report's honestly not saying it's high enough. I know it's higher than what they're reporting. If they actually did the honest truth about the inflation, the market would crash quick. And they know that, and that's why they're not reporting it to be super high. I don't care what they report. I don't care what the government says. They control it. They control what comes out. They control the number, but it's much higher than what it is. They all know that. They're just keeping people from freaking out. That's all. Hope you guys are having a good weekend. That's just my input on the market crash. Not a financial advisor, but end of the year, hopefully September, if not October, November, we'll see these stocks start to rise. Hopefully inflation settles down. We'll know the truth. We won't go by what the government says or what the report the government puts out, because it's not true. But I'll let you guys know. But the inflation is much higher than what they're reporting. The real estate's in a bubble right now. So just keeping y'all entertained. Hit that subscribe button. Get that chance to get that Ps5. Leave me some comments. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know where y'all are from. I want to know where you guys are from, who's watching this video, who's subscribing, where y'all from. What's your favorite investments? How's your portfolio doing? My portfolio was down last week. It's actually the first time in like 2 months it's been down in a week. So I was kind of bummed, but you're going to be down some weeks, you're going to be down some months, and you're also going to be up. Hopefully you're up more than what you're down. I was kind of depressed yesterday. I was like, damn, my portfolio was down this week. But I checked it like over the month. I was like, oh, well, I feel better now because you zoom out, hopefully you make money. When you look up close, every week it may go down. It goes down it could go down every minute, every hour. That's why it's not good to check it all the time. Okay, but please subscribe. Hope you liked the video. Keeping y'all entertained. Y'all have a great weekend. Let me know what y'all are doing this weekend. What's your favorite thing to do on the weekend? Where y'all from? What's your favorite stocks? Talk to me. I want to know what's going on. I hope this video gave y'all some good information. And I'll talk to you guys later.